Good morning, guys. This is the best I got today, honestly. I am so exhausted. It is Vlogmas day 20, which is really exciting, but also, how did this happen so quickly? I don't know. What is happening? What is happening with my hair? Yeah, we stayed up pretty late last night. I did my schoolwork all day yesterday, which was good. And I was honestly so exhausted after that, and then I had a really bad headache, but I just got up like pretty much immediately and did the dishes and made dinner and like put Christmas music on to get in like the Christmas spirit and to feel good, and that worked, and I felt so much better and I felt energized. And then Mia and I took a bath after dinner, and then I put her to bed. And when I put her to bed, Matt and I, he worked on something, and then I ended up wrapping gifts, and then he ended up wrapping gifts with me, and we stayed up till 2 wrapping gifts, and then I started to edit at about 2:30, maybe even 3 o'clock in the morning, and I edited until like 3:30 to 4, stopped wrapping gifts. But in the middle of wrapping gifts and editing, we washed our couch, the cushion cover things. Yeah, whatever. That's the best I got. What, baby? So that we like took all the presents off here. It looks so much nicer and clean. Thank goodness I just have my laptop on here now. But we finally, like, we were trying to tackle as many presents as we could last night. Honestly, we like only did Mia's, but I'll show you guys. But yeah, because of all that, I'm just so exhausted, and those couch cushions take forever to put on. But I'll show you guys what we got done last night wrapping wise. And I have some wrapping to do today, but honestly, I'm so exhausted, I might just give myself a day to chill out because I am so tired. And like, I woke up looking tired this morning. On another note, as you guys know, if you guys watched the last Vlogmas videos, we only had a couple of presents over here. We have added all of the ones with the silver whatever wrapping. Those are Mia's. And then over here, we added more, and all of those down there are also Mia's that we got done last night. So, I mean, we got some stuff done. Still have a lot to do, but it's better than what it was yesterday. And finally, like, obviously, turn the exposure down. Obviously, like, this is still kind of like a mess, but finally, like, this is starting to get cleared up. We cleared off one of the boxes there. That right there actually needs to go back in the closet, because that is, if you saw my what I got my baby for Christmas video, that is Mia's, what do you call that thing? She's currently feeding the dog all of her banana, so that's great. That is Mia's ball pit, so that we're actually going to set up the night before. We're not going to open the box because it has to puff up because it's like memory foam. So that one we have to, hey, you're feeding the doggy all of your breakfast. Don't do that, baby. There she goes. Okay. But that we're gonna set up because we want her to be able to use it right away. So we're gonna do that the night before, so we don't actually have to wrap that box, which is nice. So yeah, Mia is eating pancake and banana, although she's feeding it mainly to Cherokee. Yeah, are you feeding the dog? Hey, no, back it up, girlfriend. Are you feeding the doggy this morning? Making sure everybody gets their breakfast? Yeah? Is that yummy? You want more pancake? Hold on. Look, there's some more pancake, okay? Yummies. What's wrong? What, baby? You want some water. Okay. So I'm feeding this one blueberries and apples for lunch. Yes, mommy is, isn't she? Okay, we're not gonna touch, okay? Here. Dada, you already talked to Daddy on the phone, huh? Do you want some more? Look at Mom. Yeah, Mia, you didn't see Holly today. Do you want to see Holly? So Holly today is typing on the typewriter. Ooh, look at Holly. What do you think about Holly? Say hi, Holly. Holly adjusted the typewriter and is typing on the typewriter. Hi. Dad does that work. Say hi, Holly. Can you say hi, Holly? Can you say it? Hi, Holly. Hi, Holly. Yeah. Yeah. My energy level is now at like a 6 or 7 out of 10. Way better than this morning when I was like literally a -10. But I decided to straighten my hair to make myself feel better. Does anyone else do that? Like, I know I don't totally, you know, get ready every day, and I haven't straightened my hair in I don't even know how long. But, you know, to look a little bit put together today and not feel like total crap about myself, I went ahead and straightened my hair. I'm not going to get as far as putting makeup on because, to be honest, I couldn't care less. So, yeah. What are you doing, miss? Hi, can you show them your block? Mia, this has an I and an N. You're not even paying attention. You're like totally off in the opposite direction. Okay, you know what? It's all right. Okay, so I'm getting started on dinner, and I'm gonna show you guys once again what I'm making. Right here, I have 2 chicken breasts that I butterflied. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on them. I ran out of olive oil, so the next best thing I have is vegetable oil. Whoa, buddy, that was too much. It's all right, just put a little bit of oil, it's fine. I'm gonna put some salt, some pepper. Okay, and you're supposed to have Italian seasoning. You guys, I thought I did. I guess I don't. So I'm just going to put a little bit of thyme and oregano, and then onion powder and some garlic powder, and just like, honestly, just like that will be okay. And also, I don't do measuring. It's not my style. It's not my thing. So I'm just kind of eyeballing what I think will cover the chicken, and if I need to add more, I just kind of do it to what it looks like. If I feel like I need to add more, I will. And then when I have what I think is going to be enough, I'll go ahead and just mix all of this together with some tongs. I put way too much oil on this, but I'll go ahead and just mix this all together with some tongs till it's all evenly coated, or as best as possible. Okay, so I've let in my pan. I let in my pan. Matt's home. I let my pan get hot, and then I'm just going to take the chicken and place it in here. And it already has the oil, so I'm not going to oil the pan again because that is so unnecessary, and because I poured too much. We don't want to overdo it. So, Alright, so what you're basically just going to do is cook this chicken all the way through. Usually what I'll do is once the one side is browned, I will flip it over and turn the heat down and cover it so that I can double check that just make sure that the chicken is cooked through, because I'm a paranoid person about that. So that's what I usually do. Just make sure your chicken is all cooked through, and I will show you what to do while that is going. Okay, now we have 2 tomatoes. I'm just gonna dice these up. These are just Roma tomatoes. You could really use whatever you want. You could use grape or just a regular tomato. I just chose Roma. Gonna dump those tomatoes in a bowl. I'm going to chop up some basil. I'm going to take about half of a lemon and squeeze that over top of the basil and the tomatoes. Then I'm just going to do like literally the tiniest amount of oil, especially because this is vegetable oil. I don't want to do too much. And then I'm going to salt and pepper this. And then I'm just going to mix. And you can just set this aside until we need it. Okay, so at this point, by the time you chop up your tomatoes and everything, your chicken should almost be done. I have turned the heat down and covered it. Now I'm going to add to a pan some zucchini veggie spirals. Cover this, and I'm going to let it cook about halfway till it starts to soften up and it starts to defrost, and then I'm going to show you what to do next. Okay, you guys, so now that my chicken is pretty much fully cooked, I have Mia on one side. I don't know if you can see that. So this may be a little bit difficult to do with one hand, but I'm going to take the Field Roast Chow cheese. This is the creamy original. This is vegan cheese. You do not have to use this. If you don't want to use this, I would suggest using mozzarella. That's actually what the recipe, the original recipe that I use calls for. But Matt and I actually genuinely like this cheese, so I'm going to use it. You just want to basically place this cheese on each piece of your chicken. Then I'm just going to take this Classico traditional basil pesto. I'm going to put a little bit of that on each piece of chicken as well. Then I'm just going to cover this and let it sit so the cheese can melt and this basil pesto can warm up. Okay, so my noodles are pretty much done. I drained the water. And I'm also just going to put about a spoonful of the basil pesto in. This is literally just to give those zucchini noodles some flavor, because without it, obviously it's just zucchini and it was frozen. So it can be pretty bland. So I started just to add some pesto to it, just to make sure it has at least a little bit of flavor. And then this is pretty much done. You just want to let that pesto warm up for a few minutes. And then when your cheese is melted on your chicken, you are ready to plate. Okay, so to plate, you're just going to take your zucchini noodles and put those on the bottom. Then you're just going to place your piece of chicken on top. This one fell apart, but place your piece of chicken on top. And then to add a little freshness and color, just plate, put a couple of the tomatoes on it. And there you have it. Delicious basil pesto chicken. It's so good. Honestly, highly recommend it. Mia is tearing it down, you guys. The zucchini noodles and the chicken, she's literally just over here eating it. She's never had this before, but she loves it. Look at her. She's so cute. Is your chicken showing daddy? Yeah, Mia. You eating your chickens and your zucchini noodles? What a good bubbles. Look. We haven't done your advent calendar chocolate in like 3 days. What day were we on?
3 days?
Oh my gosh, it's been like more. The 15th.
And
it's
we're
the
on
19th.
Yeah, okay.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's 5 days.
4 days. 15th?
Yeah. Boo boo, your chocolate's another snowman. Now we're getting all snowmen.
Do you want knife?
Sorry. Yeah, kind of, because I can't make a snowman. Well, I
Snowman's fat head is a little thick.
You already said this in another vlog, and it's already up.
Really?
Yep.
And they got what?
It's already up.
I didn't even realize.
Boo boo! You just ate so much dinner, and now you're having more. But we haven't had it really has been like a couple of days, my poor baby. I'm sorry. But to be fair, you've also had chocolate chip pancakes 2 days in a row, so that's kind of why I didn't give it to her too. Are you okay? What's that face? Is it stuck to the roof of your mouth or something?
Are
there stickers? Okay. Give your stickers. Yes. Stickers. You took mommy's sticker off her shirt, baby. Nah, not in your mouth, okay? Thank you.
Hey, mommy, you beautiful.
Are you on her?
Hey, mommy, you sexy. Look at this strong baby.
Look at her shaking.
You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. She's laughing.
Eat it.
Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh. You little stinker. Ow. Ooh, right in the toe. And weird movies like that. It's not Christmas movies, dude. Christmas movies, bro. Come on, bro. I just realized I actually spelt something.
Fry. Daddy likes fry.
I need a fry. You know what we say to that, babe?
What?
Harry!
I'm not. I shaved my legs last night. Thank you
Honey?
so much.
I think you need to start wearing your glasses to the shower.
You're so rude. You're pulling my hair.
Yeah.
Ow.
Get her, Mia. Get her, Mia.
Ow, come on, choking me out. Give me hugs. Ow. You're hurting me so bad. Ugh, this is why I don't like to wear my hair down.
Let me see her face and ask her if she wants to go.
Mia, look. Do you want to go nursing on the boobas? And go sleeping night-night? Okay. You ready to go sleep?
I love seeing her face when you ask her that. She just gets so excited, and when you don't start moving fast enough, she starts getting sassy.
Like right now, what time is it? Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. It is now like almost 10, and I'm just gonna go ahead and end it because I'm tired and I want to go to bed early tonight, unlike every other night. So I'm gonna end this so that when Mia goes to sleep, I can edit this. Whoops, I can edit this and just go to bed. So good night. Hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 20. I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 21. If you did like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notifications or post notifications to get notified when I upload. Bye, guys.